bat an eye. Meaning, to avoid expressing surprise, fear, or shock. Example, the man didn't bat an eye when the explosions went off around him and bullets zipped past his head. Birds of a feather. Meaning, people with similar tastes, interests, and backgrounds. Example, Ethan saw Jason had the same type of car and shrugged, birds of a feather. No spring chicken. Meaning, someone who's no longer young. Example, my grandfather is no spring chicken, that's for sure. Cat among the pigeons. Meaning, do or say something that causes trouble and make a lot of people angry or worried. Example, the foreigner put the cat among the pigeons when he made some sensitive comments about the people's religion. Goose egg. Meaning, 0. Example, we had a good game, but the score was goose egg.